What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be upgrading my wipers on my Tacoma. So the cool thing about these bad boys here is these are very great quality. These are the Scrubblade Platinums. So we're going to show you guys how to install them, so how to change out your wipers, and then of course we're going to show you guys the after. As far as what I have right now, they are deteriorating, so it is time for a change. Let's go. Alright you guys, so before we actually install the brand new ones, I'm going to show you guys the before, which is the stock OEM factory wipers. These aren't bad, but we are going to be upgrading them. So let's show you guys the before. So as you can tell, they're kind of leaving streaks. I don't know if you can see all the bubbles there. It's not really cleaning it and they're falling apart. I'm going to show you guys now from the inside, just so you guys get a view of how that looks. So as you guys can tell, say this is raining, it's not going to really be cleaning your windshield very well. So that's the before, and like I said, these are a little bit old, I'm not going to lie, but we are going to be upgrading. So let's show you guys how to do it, and I will show you guys the after.
Before installing, make sure that 22 size inch is going to be for your driver's side, and the 20 inch is going to be your passenger side. What I recommend using is either a flathead screwdriver, a trim remover to lift up this little clip right here. Once you lift that, you lift your wiper and just push it back and it comes out right off. Once you're ready to install, just slip right here and it should go inside real easy. Once you hear a clip, that's right there, that's installed. You just push the one back and you're good to go.
Yeah, super simple.
Same process. Lift it up. Lift your wiper, just push it back, come out. Also comes with a badass sticker.
Damn.
Process, lift the little bracket, put it in. Once you hear a clip, it's installed. There, close it, and you're good to go.
Heck yeah, let's show you guys the after. All right you guys, so you guys saw it's super simple to install these brand new wipers on the Tacoma. Make sure when you guys are ordering, you guys make sure to get the correct size. As far as for the Tacomas, driver's side is a 22 inch, passenger side is going to be a 20 inch, and I did get the upgraded platinum versions just so I make sure these things are awesome. Of course, overall you could go ahead and get the more affordable version, but might as well just stick to the platinums since it is pretty still affordable and great quality. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So I'm going to turn them on and you guys are going to see how good these things are. So as you can tell, now it's actually cleaning up very well. It's not leaving any streaks, it's not really leaving anything else, as you guys can tell. Let's show you guys from the inside now. So coming in from the inside, you guys are going to notice everything is super clean and spotless, as you can tell. So let me go ahead and turn these things on, and so you guys can see it's still working. So now if it's raining, actually I could actually see through the window. So you see, doesn't leave any streaks, doesn't leave any water left over. One more time, and there it is, you guys. If you guys want these great quality wipers, make sure to check out the description box below. If you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to go ahead and follow Scrubblade on Instagram and go ahead and support them. Buy them for your car. It's not only for Tacomas, so if you have a different vehicle, check them out. Description box below. See you guys.
Super simple, please feel free to subscribe.